River herring play an important ecological and cultural role in Massachusetts. In recent years, management of their populations has become a priority for state and federal regulators. Locally known as alewife and blueback, river herring are species of interest for state and federal resource managers, and habitat requirements are focus areas in need of better understanding throughout coastal New England. MIT Sea Grant developed programs for 3 different MassBays priority embayment sites in Massachusetts: Great Pond and Herring Pond in Eastham, and Fresh Pond in Plymouth. Our programs assess habitat and resource requirements and offer insight into the ecological function of river herring, which is important for fisheries and resource management. Before developing site-specific restoration and management plans, it is important to understand the basic ecological makeup of each embayment and the food webs that support them. To do this, we characterized the bathymetry, bottom hardness, and aquatic vegetation found in each of the spawning ponds using sonar mapping. We then used stable isotopes of carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur to follow the flow of energy through each consumer from plants to top predators, providing a map or food web linking predator and prey diets and identifying necessary resources preferred by river herring in each system. Open systems are supported in part through the exchange of energy and resources with adjacent systems. As river herring consume resources in each habitat, they become little packets of energy, moving resources back and forth, directly linking freshwater and marine ecosystems. The herring are consumed by predators, or add to the detritus web through mortality and decomposition in each system. This movement of energy through herring demonstrates the important role they play in cross-system exchange and the value of MassBays priority embayments in direct support of freshwater and marine ecosystem process. The information generated by this research is transferable to management of MassBays embayments beyond the study sites and will provide useful information for future resource planning and impact assessments. Gaining a basic understanding of how these embayment ecosystems function and what makes them ideal habitat for herring is the first step in informing effective resource restoration and management plans. The long-term conservation outcome will be improved understanding of spawning habitat characteristics, resource preferences, and community structure required to support healthy river herring populations, and emphasize the importance of community structure, species interactions, and maintaining or restoring habitat connectivity when developing resource management plans. The education and engagement of local communities is critical in these efforts. That's why we emphasize the importance of citizen science, where volunteers from the local communities learn about the systems they are studying and inform resource managers with the data they collect and information they provide in support of research and management. This project involved 12 public outreach events, trained 150 citizen science and river herring ecology, management, and research methods, supported graduate, undergraduate, and high school interns, and provided content for a graduate-level course in stable isotope ecology. River herring play an important ecological role as prey species for commercial and recreational fisheries, as well as a variety of other marine and freshwater predators. In Massachusetts, the historic, economic, and cultural value of river herring has been well documented. Concern over river herring populations has increased in recent years, and management of river herring populations and their habitats along the northeast coast of the United States has become a priority for state and federal regulators. Support provided by the MassBays program, EPA grant number CE96173901, has enabled MIT Sea Grant to develop research that brings together partners and stakeholders, increasing our understanding of the resource needs and ecological and social benefits of healthy Massachusetts embayments in support of river herring populations and the ecosystems they support.